your mark, ready, set, let's go.
Yeah, baby.
On your mark, ready, set, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to swing, baby. Yeah.
Getting jiggy with it.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's freedom, baby. Yeah.
Getting jiggy with it.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Getting jiggy with it.
Smashing, baby.
Count of three. I want everybody the place to be. To make some noise if you're down with me. 1, 2, 3.
Rock your body. What?
Everybody. Rock your body, body.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
You can give a computer a
sound, graphics.
Yellow. Andy is selecting from the menu bar, which gives you all the features of the
Are you giving up?
Also moving this arrow around on the screen. Right, that's the mouse. Now pull down menus. A few of those up here. There's one, another, and a third. Now this is another alternative to typing in. So I'm also moving this arrow around on the screen. Right, that's the mouse. Now pull down menus. A few of those up here. There's one.
That was an alright movie. About 8 soap operas.
IBM will have to slash its...
Again, and you will be given a choice of a total of 9 wines.
Okay, so it's making its decision as to what wines to recommend. And
That's correct. And there are 3 on the...
Wine bottle, Commodore 64.
Coming out of the darkness.
education.
Gonna do? Well,
By step.
Keys that I pressed to make it happen. Here we go. And there are the characters that I was really pressing to make those things happen. So, principle number 1, use the built-in characters. If the...
to expand into step. Pong, you are being prepared to spend your time playing the whole family. His own. One.
I'd like to take my 8.
You'd have to buy this many Atari computers for $899 each to get the same built-in memory as this many Commodore 64s for under $600. Or computer for less money than your family.
It's purchased worldwide.
Matt's got thousands of programs.
Through a video scanning process, it can make detailed replicas of your originals in 4,096 colors or 16 shades of gray.
I used digitized pictures a couple...
Electronic synthesizers and other MIDI instruments to your setup. Now you can compose music the way professional musicians do. Fantastically.
Just you.
Two more exciting and advanced.
The Commodore. Here's the deal. You buy the Commodore PC5 now.
Cause the Commodore is...
Bye. Earring. They started cleaning out a while ago. All the partitions and furniture.
On the basis of price.
Processing for letters, reports, create.
Now touch the mouse.
Do well.
Der Sound ist wie immer minimalistisch gehalten. Die Kunden sprechen, es gibt Soundgeräusche vom
On your mark, ready, set, let's go.
Yeah, baby.
On your mark, ready, set, let's go. Let's go.